What's up, guys? It's Patrick with Exteriors Masters Academy, and we are back again with another big apartment job. We've actually been here before. We handled all these townhome windows, 12 buildings, but today we're tackling this monster drain wall. So they called us back, we came back, we touched up a couple windows, ended up turning into another job. So we bidded this for them. We were able to do this the same day that we bid the windows, so it all worked out. But yeah, it's a pretty big wall, and we're also gonna blow out these drains as well as we can. So, but yeah, as you can see, it's dirty. It needs this. Ready to rock. We've been downstreaming, but we've actually changed up. We're starting to run the X-Jet. It allows us to put the right mixture of SH on these concrete walls or stucco. We can hit them with what we actually need to. Then we made sure we wrap this up like a mummy. We got the electric vehicle charging. Yeah. So yeah, we're about to get started. We actually switched up our system. We got a bigger machine. We're running the 5.5 gallon per minute, working our way towards that 8. And we're running with the buffer tank now. So yeah, the guys are filling up. Once we fill up, we're gonna turn this on, apply a little bit of that SH, and they're gonna get after it. But just wanted to show you guys the new system. We are not downstreaming as much as we were since we switched to the X-Jet. You guys will get to see that in action as well. So once the guys get started, I'll tune back in and we'll watch the process of cleaning this wall up. So stay tuned, guys. Might just never stop. Looks good. There you go. Mm-mm. Yeah, if you don't mind. In like the next 20 or 30 minutes.
I'll just move it over there.
All right, appreciate it.
Can I drive over this?
Yeah, you can. Thank you. All right, so Dallas is making his way down the concrete wall. It's cleaning up great. We applied the chemical. We put it right around 3-4% just to up it up a little bit on this concrete, but this is a drain wall, hasn't been cleaned in a long time. We're also hitting the drains that you see below, just kind of with our ball valve or just with the tip and just getting as much of that out as we can. So, but yeah, he's gonna keep on trucking. We got a lot to do. So just stay tuned, guys, and we'll show you the process of getting this cleaned up. Be a big mess. training to be our lead. He's gonna take over, hit the rest of this wall, and then once we get about halfway, we'll apply more chemical with the X-Jet. I'll make sure I tune in and show you guys that this time. And yeah, tell me what you guys think. Have you ever cleaned a drain wall like this? One thing we didn't expect was how much dirt we're gonna have to push. So, but it sloped pretty good. It should all drain right where we want it, so. But yeah, so we're just gonna keep moving, keep on getting this off, show you guys the whole process. So just stay tuned with us, guys. Way more chemical at a more precise measurement. So when it comes to doing concrete, it's definitely been ideal. So we're gonna let that sit, let that dwell for a minute, then we're gonna hit it again, get the rest of this wall nice and clean. This is where we started. So we're hitting the wall first, and then I'll show you what we gotta deal with after that. We gotta get everything that's coming off the wall, push it all where it drains. That drains in a corner back behind those flowers. So yeah, so we'll have to drain, push all that to the drain too. So it'll be a big like cleanup after the job's done, but we're not gonna leave that there, leave their parking lot looking like that. So just stay tuned, guys. We'll keep showing you the process, and I'll show you the wall after we get it all finished. It's looking great. all this dirt out of this parking lot. We don't want to leave it looking like that. We would never want to leave it looking like that. But this is a customer, a big apartment complex. We cleaned all the windows at their townhomes. It was the biggest window job we've done yet. We came here just to touch up the windows, ended up landing a big concrete job. So always just talk to the property managers, stay in contact with them. I think Dallas was bringing donuts up here every 3 months, just staying in contact with them. So, but we're cleaning up this job. We're gonna get all that dirt off of the parking lot and then we'll wrap it up here.